Today's our topic is the fundamental unit of life. So friends, in the fundamental unit of life, we will learn more about cell. What is a cell? Without cell, there is no body. There is no human system. Okay. Without cell, there is no human body. Friends, you can see on your hand there is so many dots, small. They are all known as cells. How the cells are made up of human body is made up of cells. Cells. Of so many cells, it will convert into tissue. Of so many tissues, it will connect into organs. Of so many organs, it will connect into organ systems. So from organ systems, it will connect to human body. Like that, our human body is formed. There is no cell, there is no human body. That's why cells are more important in our life. Friends, in our body there are 75 trillion cells. In our body there are 75 trillion cells. Not million, not billion. It's trillion. How we will get 75 trillion? Okay, 75 trillion cells are there in our human body. Also friends, every day 300 million cells die every minute in our body. Every minute 300 million cells will die in our body. If they die, this name is known as apoptosis. Apoptosis means the name of this. We cannot tell that 300 million cells die every minute. So apoptosis means 300 million cells die every minute. This is the meaning of apoptosis. Next, in our body 300 billion cells produce every day. Once can you recheck? Don't think this 300 million. Same 300 million and this is 300 billion. It is every minute 300 million cells and every day 300 billion cells will produce, means regenerate in our body. Okay. ఇప్పుడు cell. Who found this cell? Who discovered this cell? Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. For the discovery of cell, Robert Hooke took the permission of his king, of that time king. He said only take the test of plants, but he took the test of plants, animals, human. He cutted his own hand and he also tested it. And also at last he tested the urine also for these cells. Then he found, we all has called him as crazy scientist, but also he did it. And at last he found the cell. For finding this cell, how can he see this cell? He can see this cell by help of the microscope. So that time there is no microscope. So microscope was invented by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. So it is microscope is invented for Robert Hooke to find the cells. So Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the inventor microscope. And also Anton von Leeuwenhoek was also called as father of microbiology. So he was also called as a father of microbiology. Who is Anton van Leeuwenhoek? He was the founder of microscope and father of the microbiology. Then let's go to the next topic. Mathis Skidden. Who is he? We know Robert Hooke and Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Who is he? He found that all plants are made up of cells. He found that all plants are made up of cells. Next, one more person is also important. Theodor Schwann. Who is now he? He found that all animals are made up of cells. Now let's see once again. Who found the cell? Robert Hooke. How can he see the cells with the microscope? Who found the microscope? Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was also known as father of microbiology. And Mathis Skidden has discovered that all plants are made up of cells. And Theodor Schwann has found that all animals are made up of cells. Okay, now I'll ask you. Who is Robert Hooke? He is founder of the cell. Who is Anton van Leeuwenhoek? He invented the microscope. And he is also called as Cheppandi plants.
Father of microbiology.
నేను చెప్పినా కదా వీడు అందుకే మళ్ళీ చెప్పాను వీళ్ళకి అవకాశం ఇద్దాం.
Okay, Nana.
Questions అవి.
The questions. Okay. Who is Mathis Skidden?
Plants also have cells.
Yeah. Plant made up of cells.
All plants
Made with cells.
are made up
Cells.
of